これから友達のバースデーパーティーに行きます。
来ました。
ここはどこですか？ Where are we?
モール。
モール。We're at Hillsdale Shopping Center, Hillsdale Mall。これから Young Art っていうアートスタジオのお店でバースデーパーティーがあります。You get to do art.
Yay!
Yay! And face painting too. フェイスペイントもしてもらえる。Let's go!
Ooh, spider. Yeah, we can do it.
Color.
Or do you want like blue? Yeah, we can do it.
Please.
Do you want it on your arm or on your face? Yeah? Alright, go ahead. Put your hand down on the table.
What kind of pencils are these?
Aqua pencils. So they're like colored pencils that are activated like paint by water, but they're like non-toxic, so they're safe to use on skin and they're much easier for us to use for face paint.
Kento, 何描いてるの？ What are you drawing? Are you drawing Elsa? エルサだ。Drop your child off while you shop. あなたが、買い物してる間に子供を預けてもいいですよって書いてあります。ケントはまたエルサ Elsa again。このお店では韓国の商品を売ってます。
Like in your head, maybe that I'll do the same for you. Is that okay? Yeah.
Your name, right? We're
Here, I'm
gonna
gonna
flip it
start you off.
ちょっとトレイしてる？撮ってる？
Did you forget it?
I'll erase the line right here so you don't see her head through her hair. Okay, ready? Start with yellow. Okay, can you do her neck, her face, and her arms? Okay? Or not her arms, her hands. Okay, ready?
right hand. You're left-handed, right? So you're gonna hold it here. You're gonna hit it really hard right here, okay? Yeah, good job. Okay, you're gonna let go. Ready?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go wash our hands. 手洗います。こっち、このドアだと思うよ。Can you open the door? これみんなの作品です。This is everyone's artwork. ケントのどれ？それ？ Is that yours? It's still wet. ちょっとここ濡れてるよ。This is our wall. I cleaned it up a bit, so I threw away a couple pictures, drawings. But this is Kento's Elsa drawing collection. And we have much more Elsa stuff. Thanks for watching and see you next time!